Here is step-by-step guide how to delete your Telegram account. So, first of all, open up your Telegram application and after that tap on Gear at the bottom right corner. So once you're here, you can scroll down until you find Telegram FAQ. Click on it and after that scroll up and find here your account section. Once you're here, you can find here delete your Telegram account. Click on it and after that, right here you can find how do I delete my account. Click on the activation page. And here you can type in number of your account. And after that, tap on next button. And once you do that, Telegram will be able to send you confirmation code and you should type in it and after that tap on delete button. I hope it helps. Watch this new video or this playlist about Telegram. See you next time.